Hi, I'm Marta Sono from Community Tools, and in this video, we're going to create animated GIFs in Photoshop in an easy and simple way so that we can obtain good quality content without having to make great efforts. We are going to start creating a new document. In this case, we're going to use a format of 800 by 800 because it's the best size for creating GIFs. So we create the document, and now we take our image. In this case, it's in a PNG format that is easier as we don't need the background of the image. If you don't have a PNG format, you should take off the background of the image, as I've said. We are going to create different layers with the movement we want for the image. So we are gonna copy and paste the same image and move it to the place we want it to be. In this case, we want the motorcycle to move from the right to the left, creating a movement for the motorcycle. In this case, we've created 12 layers with the movement of the motorcycle, and now we're gonna take off the visibility of every single layer. When all the layers are without visibility, we're gonna create a checker line, also known as línea de cuadros. To create the movement, we are gonna add layer by layer to the line, with visibility only in the elements that we want to see in the fragment. We're gonna put the first layer with the first layer on the timeline, the second layer with the second layer on the timeline, and so on. Once the movement is created, we can change the speed of the movement, for example, to 0.1 second speed, or 0.2, or even more second speed. The ideal in this case is gonna be 0.1. The final step is gonna be exporting the GIF. In this case, we have to export it, but with the option of save for web, because this is gonna be the format of the GIF. So we save it. We have different options for the color. You can also put a halo, a white one, a black one, a colorful one. In this case, we're gonna choose no halo, and we save it in our computer, and we have our GIF.